Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to study the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Now on your screen you can see the diagram of plant cell as well as animal cell. So first of all, this is the diagram of animal cell. Now I will going to explain you what is the structure of this animal cell. Okay, so you can see here animal cell. In the center nucleus is there. Okay, surrounded by nucleus, different cell organelles are present. Okay, then first of all, I will tell you the basic difference between animal cell and plant cell is that in animal cell, cell wall is absent. But here in plant cell wall is present. So you can see here, this is the cell wall. The arrow of this mouse shows that this is the cell wall. Okay. Now this type of cell wall is absent here in animal cell. This is the basic difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. Now the next difference is that the vacuoles in the plant cell, the large vacuoles are present in the center. Okay. Due to the presence of this large vacuole, the nucleus is also pushed towards the peripheral region. Okay. So in plant cell, larger vacuoles are present. But in animal cell, very smaller and temporary vacuoles are present. So there is no need to large vacuole is present in the center. In animal cell, very smaller and temporary vacuoles are present. Is that clear? Then in animal and plant cell, both cell membrane as well as plasma membrane is present. So in both, this is not actually the difference because plasma membrane is present in both plant cell as well as in animal cell also. Then the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus is present here in plant cell in the form of dictyosome. So we can see here Golgi apparatus, but this Golgi apparatus is in the form of dictyosome. Okay, in plant cell they are called as dictyosome. In animal cell, here Golgi apparatus is present. Okay. Now in plant cell, plastids are present. Okay. So plastids, you know that 3 different types of plastids are there. But in plant cell, they are present. Where plastids are present here? Now see here, you can see here, this is the chloroplast. It is one of the type of plastid. Okay. But this type of plastids are absent here in animal cell. So you can see here, this is the difference between plant cell and animal cell, that plastids are present in plant cell, but plastids are absent in animal cell. Okay. So these are some basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. Now I will explain to you the structure of animal cell. Now here you can see in the animal cell, centrally placed nucleus is present. Surrounded by it, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Now you know that endoplasmic reticulum is extend from nucleus up to the cell membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum shows 2 types. RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, because ribosomes are present there. And this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then these are the Golgi complex or Golgi bodies are present. This is the mitochondria. Centriole is present in animal cell, but in plant cell, this centriole is absent. Lysosomes are present, which consist many digestive enzymes. Okay. Then nucleoplasm is present there in the nucleus. Nuclear envelope is there. Okay. Then vacuoles, secretory vesicles are present here at the side of Golgi complex. So this is the structure of animal cell. Now here in plant cell, you can see in the centrally placed vacuole is present, which is large, and nucleus is shifted towards the periphery. Now why nucleus is shifted towards the periphery? Because centrally placed vacuole is present. Then here endoplasmic reticulum is there. Smooth as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum is there. Mitochondria is present there. Then these are the chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, which is in the form of dictyosome. Peroxisomes are present to store the fats. Okay. So this is also about the plant cell. So you can differentiate between plant cell as well as animal cell also. Okay. Now again we are going to revise the differences between plant cell as well as animal cell. So in plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Then vacuoles, large vacuoles are present in plant cell, and very small and temporary vacuoles are present in animal cell. In plant cell, plastids are present. In animal cell, plastids are absent. Then in plant cell, Golgi apparatus are called as dictyosome. In animal cell, Golgi apparatus are present. So these are some basic differences between plant cell as well as animal cell. Okay, thank you.